Hello my friends, and welcome to Inside Out Electronic Channel. This is Uncle Misha. Then we have this water-resistant Ironman let's say this whatever FM AM radio cassette player with auto reverse. It's water-resistant. It has AM FM. It has little thingies here. So what else do we have? Do we have a switch that switch it from tape, AM FM, phones, tuning. Tuning is manual, not electronic. All right, it has DBSS button. It has these buttons here, which actually stop, rewind, forward, and two-directional playback. And this obviously changes the direction. Let's open it. The battery cover is missing, but I don't think it's critical because it's inside. And if you put your cassette in here, it's going to be totally covering the battery door. So it's not critical at all. All right, so this front door is very rudimentary. There is nothing here, nothing like no electronics here at all. Just a door. This little open, like a slot for the tuning, and little window just to see if the cassette is there or not. That's pretty much it. So everything is on one side. We can power this little guy up and see if it operates. Oh, it has even strap here. So it looks like this guy doesn't support a dB noise reduction like type what I'm talking about, B or C, and also it doesn't support type 2 or metal equalization. So yeah, it's very simplistic player. At least it have auto reverse. All right, let's give it a try. I have some fresh batteries here, and let's just place them in here. And what do we have? It's already in, like, let's put it in tape mode. Let's put some cassette here and just hit the, yeah, okay, it just works out. I don't think I ever done any work. Obviously we have to double check the speed because it could be like shit, but let's just put the headphones in and listen. Hear the music. Yeah, it's Queen. Mama, na 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 na. All right, so this seems to be working. Let's check the radio. Switch to FM. Well, there is some static and some music popping through. Okay, let's switch to AM. And let's do some, where is the tuning? Yep, yeah, Fitness Depot and stuff, advertisement. Here we are, so AM and FM work. So let me go back to tape. You see it start playing right away. That's pretty cool. Let's check the volume. Oh, looks like we have a little bit of a problem. Yeah, looks like we have very scratchy pot. So I have to stop this stuff. Very scratchy pot, and this may cause some kind of noise and static when you are adjusting or tapping this. So that's we have to kind of fix. And also we have to check the speed. So for that, I have to open it up. And to open it up, never opened this up. So let's just pop battery out. Oh, I think I didn't do it right. Okay, let's just do it like this. I see no screws. It's all like, what? Interesting. How do... Okay, let me just, try to use some leverage and... Okay, let's pull this out, and... That's gonna be easy because definitely I see a clip here. Okay, that's easy. Where else? Do we have any clips right here? I think we have something here going on. Is it? Yeah, it is a clip here. Okay, what else? Do we have to kind of... I don't know what to do about this guy. Is it like glued? What, all these guys? Oh, there are screws. Man. Turned out to be there are 4 screws. Well, yeah, we have screws. Actually, those screws probably for this back plate. Isn't it? Yeah, let me open this stuff. I can just unscrew pretty much everything. Yeah, screws are pretty filthy, so that means that this thing was not open for ages or never. Are there any more screws? Should be 6. Oh, here we are, one more. Six. Okay, we have 6 screws out. Do we have any more screws? Because this is supposed to lift and it doesn't. Well, we don't really care much about this guy, right? Because I think this is just a holder for the. Okay, let's try to lift it now. Oh, here we are. It's just easy as. Oh, this is pretty cool. Oh, yeah, it's filthy. Let me clean this up. Alright, that's much nicer now. Oh, this is interesting. How this contraption just lifted off. That's cool. So, will we have lift off of all these? Because I'm hoping I don't have to really somehow pop these guys out, but who knows? Could be a case. Oh no, looks like they just stay behind, I hope. Also kind of curious to see what's inside. Maybe it resembles some of the good brand players, because this one is... I don't even know who's the company who made this stuff. Okay, just lifting off just like that. These buttons probably. Something is broken here. Okay. Interesting. How this has happened, I don't know. I don't know what's interfering right here. Something is interfering. Something doesn't let me free. Maybe this switch is no? No, this switch is... Okay, I think it's just a rubber thing. I have to just... Oh, here we are. Oh, it's glued. Oh, it was glued. Well, it's... yeah. Okay. Let me lift this tape. Alright. Now... Yeah, this is very chintzy. Oh my gosh. It's horrible. It's like, I don't know, it's Chinesium kind of to the bone. But, nevertheless, I understand what's happening here. This volume pot is all glued, so I won't be able to pull this out, but at least I can try to clean it up. Yep. So I'm not gonna go in there to check what's going on with everything else. Like, I don't want to lift this board because this board is already kind of... What I have to do is just clean this little pot here, and that's it. I'm not gonna go any further down into the depth of the cassette player itself. Okay, I think it's kind of cool. Like, look at this. So this geared thingy is connected to the gear right here, which is connected in turn to this variable capacitor, which used to tune the AM or FM. All right, but rest of them is 2 wires for, or 3 wires for headphones, and another 3 wires for volume potentiometer. Okay, this is how it's done. This thing is broken, and I'm not sure what they were thinking about. Yeah, because there is no way you can actually kind of, unless it's by design, kind of detach those two without breaking this stuff. And there's no way you can unscrew it. I don't know what the hell they were thinking here. So, okay, let me clean this potentiometer, and that's gonna be probably it of this repair. Otherwise, everything else seems to be working. Let me just plop this back on. Oh, yeah, of course, it's just falling out. Okay, I'm gonna clean this up and then figure out later. Yeah. Okay, I have cleaned this potentiometer. Now I have to try to put it all together. Oh, here it looks like a potentiometer to adjust the speed. Put this thing together and try to check if our potentiometer fix has worked. Alright, let's just plug this in, make sure our switches are in the right position, and everything seems to kind of... Because now I have to make sure when I close it up like this, everything aligns, otherwise it's gonna be big of a mess, or a bit of a mess. You see, something does not align already. Yeah, these Walkmans are really hard to sometimes put together because they are, all these switches and knobbies, they sort of, it's not cooperating, right? Okay, that's better. Okay, something did not align, I think. Yeah, this guy did not align properly. And why? Okay, let's pull it back again. Try to figure out. Alright, it worked. Okay, let's try again. Something did not align well. Okay, switches here. Okay, I put this direction right this way, right? Okay, let's try again. Okay, this good. Alright, that's better. Is it better? No, it's not. Oh wow, it took me some time to align everything in such a way that these buttons will be working, because otherwise they would just keep popping out. Whoa. Now, by the way, if you look at this, you see, like, it switches direction. Actually can switch it on the fly. Pretty cool, eh? I like it. Anyways, let's just keep putting it together. I already screwed 2 screws in. Now in order to put this back, you have to like align everything and screw. I don't remember which one is bigger. I think this one is longer and 3 shorter. Yep. Non-magnetic here. 1, 2. So there are 3 longer, 3 shorter. I'm really wondering who's manufacturer of this guy. It's not terribly built inside, and Tape Mac is not the worst I've ever seen, but the PCB looks horrible. Horrible, horrible, horrible. Made in China, it says, but I'm curious by who. Get some batteries. Let's put some tape. It plays. Nice. Now it is no scratchiness at all. Very nice, very nice. Let's switch to FM. AM. And here we are. We have our Walkman back in our original shape. Everything is working. This is working and radio is working. I just tested everything. It's a little bit beat up. In general, it's in decent condition. So what are you gonna do? I don't know, probably just give it up or sell it for like 10 bucks or something. Yeah, I don't really like it, but it's totally functional. It actually plays quite well. Yeah, has outer words is a big deal. Alright, so this was not really repair per se, I just cleaned up this potentiometer. It was like more like a tear down inspection, what's going on inside. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment, I'd be happy to hear from you. Stay tuned for more videos, stay safe and ciao.